How to prevent overgrazing. Prevention of overgrazing is essential for the survival of both plant and animal species. Lands that are not overgrazed have more palatable forage. This allows livestock and wildlife to thrive. Overgrazing can be prevented through proper grazing management. With proper management, grazing lands won't be overexploited. Grazing management can take many forms depending on the method that is used. Most livestock keepers employ rotational grazing in the management of grazing fields. This method involves the division of large grazing land into smaller portions called paddocks. The animals are allowed to graze in each paddock for a limited duration. After this, they are moved to the next paddock. This allows the pasture to recover in the previously grazed paddock. When it comes to grazing management, it's all about the time that the animals take in a section of land. If the grazers spend too much time in one paddock, it may lead to overgrazing. Coming to a paddock that is not fully recovered can also damage the pasture. Use livestock feeds. By providing livestock with feeds, the pasture will have enough time to recover. Livestock feeds can come in handy when there is minimal rainfall. Livestock keepers with stockpiles of fodder can comfortably feed their animals as they wait for the pasture to regrow. Avoid overstocking. Farmers should keep the right number of animals to prevent overgrazing. The available land should support the grazing habits of the livestock at all times. If the number of livestock increases, farm managers should expand the grazing fields. Overgrazing is destructive to the environment. Overgrazing is one of the serious problems that need to be dealt with. It destroys animal habitats, ecosystems, and the environment as a whole. Lands that have been overgrazed are highly susceptible to corrosion because they are left exposed. Valuable plant species have also been lost due to overgrazing. Also, highly palatable forage has been replaced with unpalatable plants. This impacts the health of livestock and wildlife. Thanks for joining us today. Consider following Dynamic Earth Learning for more earth science, conservation, and sustainability topics. And visit our website dynamicearthlearning.com for teacher resources, videos, and environmental e-learning courses.